See that oil drippage right there? We're finna do an oil cooler O-ring on this 2010 or 2009 Nissan Titan.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, so now that we have the bolt taken out that holds the oil cooler, the best way to get to the O-ring, which I already have it off, I want to twist this around. So you can get to the back part of it. Or if you have it taken off, you can just take it off and just put it on. Put that right there. That's the new O-ring. Fit right inside of there. Luckily it fits inside there, so it won't come out when you twist it back around. See how it's still staying in there? It's perfect. What we'll do is twist it back around. With this off, you might as well go ahead on and clean it.
Purchase your tracks today.
Put it through. Find your threads. Boom. Screw it back down. And you, buddy, are on your way to changing the oil cooler O-ring on the 2009 Nissan Titan, baby. Now you come back in, you be sure to tighten this bolt back up, because you don't want it to leak oil again. Screw the new filter on. What I'm gonna do is get a hand tight. Then do a quarter turn. You don't want to tighten it up too much.